Tai Chi as a martial art has a relationship to the Kung Fu martial arts, and in them are found different animals. They're the primary animals found in the Kung Fu martial arts, such as the tiger, the crane, there's the snake, the panther or the leopard, as well as the dragon. There are some other animals as well in other forms of Kung Fu, such as the monkey or the mantis, and we're going to explore them and how to put them in our form, because instead of having to learn many different techniques to put into the Tai Chi form, by changing the mindset and thinking of a certain animal, you can expand your Tai Chi form and practice, as well as use it to give you the different advantages within health as you want. So let's look, for example, at the tiger. The tiger is a clawed fist. So you make a claw. That's to build strength, to build foundation. The tiger moves are solid. You feel the tiger in you. You build strength in the body. That's the tiger. The crane is like this. You have a crane. You pinch the fingers together, and that is the crane. The crane is about gracefulness, agility, balance. That's the crane. So, starting with our first movement, we had sunrise, sunset. Sunrise, sunset. Sunrise, sunset. Now, look what happens when we put in the tiger and the crane. Crane up, tiger down. Crane up, tiger down. You'll feel the strength building into your arms, your wrists, your shoulders, and your legs by envisioning the animals used in this form. The crane gracefully up, and then come down with the tiger against everything. Moving into changing moon. That's the moon. Our second movement in the form. Let's put in a crane and a tiger. Crane and a tiger.